probably already been lying this whole time. Good morning. We are on site at Print Resources here today. We're doing some security camera installation. So I've got Casey here with me. He's going to kind of talk about what we're doing or what he's doing today. So if you want to just kind of tell him what exactly are you doing here today?
We're installing 2 indoor dome cameras. These little puppies.
Cool.
And then 3 outdoor bullet type cameras for the corners of the building to watch the parking lot.
So the domes are going to be inside?
Yep.
And the bullets are outside?
Yes.
Okay. Can you talk about the differences in the 2 different cameras?
The basic difference is this one gives a wider view, a little bit wider view anyway. It's a little less waterproof than, it's waterproof, but it's a little less than the bullet. The bullets are typically all outdoor cameras. This is just a fixed dome, so it's not a pan tilt zoom, it's just fixed. So mainly looks at front doors or any doors they want to look at.
Okay. Cool. And when we first walked in, you guys were running some wires?
Yep, running the Cat 5e, since they're all PoE cameras, so they'll go back to the PoE NVR and be on their network, and where they can remote view them, do what they want with them, and check recordings.
Can you look at that stuff like on a cell phone?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Yes, so what they would do is download a Hike Connect app. These are Hike cameras. So it'd be like Hike-Connect, and they remote into it, and they can remote into the NVR, watch the live view, or they can actually pull recordings from the NVR as well, from their phone.
Very cool. And then you said I think you touched on this, it's attached to their network?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, the NVR will be on their network.
Cool. And then this is gonna take you guys all day?
Yes.
Cool. Well, we kind of got them in the middle of just finishing done running the wires. They're gonna start drilling into some walls and placing the cameras. So you will probably see us live here shortly. We'll show you guys just a little bit of them as they're working. Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.